Utuu Rabbi guddaan asiin nan geenye ta'e, utuu Rabbi guddaan asiin nan geenye ta'e, akka namaatti immoo hin jiru. Utuun qabeenya gayaa qabaadhe lammii kootiif bu'aa takka buuse hin gaabbu, hin gaabbu.
Otuun maalummaa koo beekuu baadde saba kootiif hin qabsaa'u.
Utuu yeroo firqoo na gorsan dhagayeera ta'e har'a gaabbuun natti hin dhaga'amu, har'a gaabbiin natti hin dhaga'amu. Utuun sirriitti barnoota koo qo'achuu baadde sadarkaa kana, utuun sirriitti qo'achuu baadde sadarkaa kana.
Utuu muuziqaan hin jiraanne sagaleen hin bareedu.
Now, right on this conference, we are going to make some unusual thing. This time, this is called something Guddifachaa. This is something we are trying now. We never did this before. We, all of us, well, maybe not all of us, but most of us are now American citizens. We are naturalized Americans. Now today we are going it the other way around. Americans are becoming Oromos, Oromo citizens. So we are very glad to see that our American citizens are coming to our community. They are telling us, give us Oromo name. We are Oromos. We are you. We are with you with everything. Oromia is our country. That is what they are saying. So please give them a round of applause. I would like to congratulate Obbo Habtamu for processing this and for giving this to my attention. And Obbo Lube is going to carry this Guddifachaa ceremony. And it will take just a few minutes. Obbo Lube and Obbo Habtamu, please come over.
Utuu Rabbi guddaan asiin nan geenye ta'e, utuu Rabbi guddaan asiin nan geenye ta'e, akka namaatti immoo hin jiru. Utuun qabeenya gayaa qabaadhe lammii kootiif bu'aa takka buuse hin gaabbu, hin gaabbu.
Otuun maalummaa koo beekuu baadde saba kootiif hin qabsaa'u.
Utuu yeroo firqoo na gorsan dhagayeera ta'e har'a gaabbuun natti hin dhaga'amu, har'a gaabbiin natti hin dhaga'amu. Utuun sirriitti barnoota koo qo'achuu baadde sadarkaa kana, utuun sirriitti qo'achuu baadde sadarkaa kana.
Utuu muuziqaan hin jiraanne sagaleen hin bareedu.
Fegeni bodedemti kan darbetedisa bena fotratte.
It's a very short. If it is back home, it takes the whole day and the night. We have a lot of tools and other materials. Different type of food prepared. Honey and butter also, as well as milk, very important. Challe and sike also important. It's not easy, but when we are outside, we have the right. We don't stop because we don't have tools. We have the right to adapt the way the environment forced us. But we will never stop and we will never give reason because we don't have this, we don't have that, we don't have this. Therefore, when I heard from Habtamu, I am very, very happy. Up to now, as far as I know, we have one person in the 70s who adopted to the Oromo people, and Bonnie Holcomb. She never She gets the name Kabbane, nobody knows her. Oromo knows her, Kabbane. And therefore, now it's started to multiply. Friends of mine, these two Oromos, mother and father, mother and son, mother and son, and also a good friend of them as a witness, as well as Haptamu. And so these two friends of us, these two Oromos, they chose Oromo to be Oromo, part of Oromo. Oromo is a very, very interesting. So I'm very happy Haptamu contacted me, and for me it is an honor to lead this ceremony. Now they will say what I said after me, and then the adoption will be concluded. I wrote it on this, very rough, but after that I go home, retype. After that they will take one copy for themselves, and the rest remain in OSA file. That's how it will be. We will start. Actually, it will be started by mother, because the mother is the elder. I think so. Okay. I, Joanne, loved Oromo history, Oromo experience, and the Oromo struggle for justice. I love Oromo people and their culture. I am voluntarily approached this great nation to adopt me as their daughter. From now on, take me as one of you. I will call the name of Waka.
I call the name of Waka.
And I am not returned back.
And I will not turn back.
Okay. My name is from now on, my name is Jitu.
My name is from now on Jitu.
I am yours.
I am you.
I am Oromo.
I am Oromo.
Take me, adopt me as Oromo.
Take me, adopt me as Oromo.
That's it. Great. Now, for the son, I, Daniel Eson, loved Oromo history, Oromo experience, and the Oromo struggle for justice. I love Oromo people and their culture. I am voluntarily approached this great nation, adopt me as their brother and their son. From now on, take me as one of you. I will call the name of Waka. I am not turning back. My name is Roba.
My name is Roba.
Yes, Roba. I don't sit down. I finished one line. I am yours.
I am yours.
I am Oromo.
I am Oromo.
Take me, adopt me as Oromo.
Take me, adopt me as Oromo.
Thank you very much. I have to congratulate them. Thank you very much. If you say anything, you can say anything if you want. Yeah, say yeah. Malik.
Thank you. It's an honor and a pleasure. Thank you very much.
Okay, we thank you all. Thank you, our new Oromos. Not baby, but okay, Roba and Jitu. Okay. So, as I said, this has been just a sudden decision to make this kind of ceremony for us. As you can imagine, it is very beautiful. We are all excited, but we did not have this kind of procedure in place in OSA, and therefore the way we did was we contacted our elders, which are knowledgeable with Oromo culture, and we have chosen Obolube. I'm very glad he did his job very successfully. It looks like it is going to multiply, as he said, so we may have something, we may need to have something in place to run these procedures when needed. So I think the next OSA leadership, I'm now expiring starting for tomorrow, but the next OSA leadership, I will not be away, don't worry. So now we thank you all. Thank you very much. Thank you. We love you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Now we will continue our